In this video, we're going to be talking about how to make stairs and slabs in Minecraft. So it is going to be a very simple and easy tutorial. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you need to do is collect some wood. Simply go ahead and head to a tree. And now you want to simply go ahead and mine it. Once you've gotten the tree, all you need to do is simply go ahead and make some planks with it. In order to go ahead and make planks with it, all you need to do is have the crafting table, or you could also directly make it on your inventory. Once you simply go ahead and make the planks, all you need to do now is simply go ahead and place them in this way right over here. Now this is how you can make a stair. Simply go ahead and put all these planks. Now if you want to know how to make a slab, just put 3 of them on the top 3 blocks, and that is about it. So it is as simple as that. I'm going to do it one more time. Simply go ahead and write an L and put one in the middle to get stairs. Just use the first 3 slabs in order to go ahead and make a slab. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.